Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. It's the most romantic day of the year, and we've got some romantic deals for you on the Tonic Studios store at up to 65% off. And there's a special Valentine's gift from Tonic to you. You'll get a fired brick glitter marker with every order placed on the store in the US and UK this weekend. So let's find out what those deals are. First up, we've got our gemstone bundle. There's 5 pots for you at 60% off to really add some dazzling features to your next project. Next, we have a specialty paper bundle in wonderfully romantic colours. These are available for you at 60% off. We have our Cross My Heart glitter and confetti bundle for you next. That's at 60% off. Some real loving colours for you to create some dazzle on your designs. We have our acetate box bundle next. Now, if you haven't seen our acetate boxes before, they're the perfect way to keep your projects pristine. Now, they're available on the store for 50% off. And finally, we have our classic card bundle, which is a series of elegant classic card packs, all available for you at 40% off. There's 60 sheets altogether, so a real value bundle. And there we have it. There are your Valentine's Day deals on the store this weekend. And don't forget, if you place any order on the store this weekend, you'll be eligible to get a free fired brick glitter marker. So well worth placing an order this weekend on the Tonic Studios store.